Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss SUI, conduct machine learning based price forecast, as well as some of the estimated bull run target and accumulation strategies and Fibonacci level analysis for SUI. None of the content is financial advice, so let's get started. SUI, this is SUI USD at a weekly level. The crypto was launched in 2023, has been in an upswing ever since October 2023 lows. Even you can see in the August 2024 the lows were higher than the October 2023 lows. Has not looked back ever since. The 20-week simple moving average and the 21-week exponential moving average is between $1.98 and $2.34. Right now the price is at around $4.76. And in terms of SUI versus Bitcoin, again quite similar chart to SUI USD, but you can see the peaks are kind of muted with Bitcoin than with USD. That is because Bitcoin is also on its rally and on a rampage. In terms of the sats, number of sats per SUI is at around 4,700, and from peak to low, from the bottom to top, it represents, again, this was the low and not too long ago, and it has had SUI has had since August has about 400% rally against BTC. Again, week to week slightly higher than 400%. And in terms of market cap based ranking for SUI, again has been rallying the most in the last 24 hours, about 30% rally, market cap at around 14 billion. It's in top 15 right now by rank. Slightly below Chainlink, about 1.3 billion gap between these two cryptos. But you can see over the last 7 days, while most of the cryptos are down or flat, SUI has been, again Link also has been up quite a lot, about 32%. Has a decent tokenomics. I wouldn't say the best of the tokenomics, considering they have a max supply. That's a good thing of 10 billion, but only 30% is in circulation. And you can see that the impact of this at real time, you can see over the last 1 year or so, the price grew from 65 cents to $4.80. So that means about slightly more than 7x growth in terms of price. But in terms of market cap, you can see the market cap back then was only 637 million. Now the market cap is well over 10x of that level. Again, almost 20x of that level, you can say, from 600 million to 13 billion. But the price has grown by only 8x. So that means the impact of new token releases on the market cap growth has been monumental. That means not all growth in market cap gets reflected back in price. You can see totally different charts. If you toggle between market cap, this is the market cap chart and this is a price chart. So one key thing to look is for token unlocks. When are some of the more token unlocks going to happen? You can see that token unlock schedule. This is on coin market cap. Most of the bulk of the unlocks are again set to happen by 2035. Again, you can see a non-linear unlock to occur till about 2026, and then a linear pace of unlocks from that point in time. That makes more sense than the initial unlocks, which are non-linear and an exponential level. You can see over the last 1 year or so, in steps, tokens are getting released. And set to follow till about more than a year from now again. So that again represents some level of token dilution. But again, as we approach that, we on the channel have this 60% target. That means if the max supply, if 60% is in circulation, that bodes really well in terms of token growth, that is market cap growth getting back reflected back in price. Now we'll spend some time on analyzing some of the charts that we have developed for SUI on our own website. This is cryptoweeklies.com. In terms of the simple moving average based rally, the current rally is said to be about 95% risk. That means to have 95% risk, that means historically speaking, the deviation between the price and the 20-week moving average has been one of the highest. Again, back in November 17, 2024, this metric would have said most risky. But again, this is a newer crypto, so again has not been around for a bear market. So I would say that this number does not mean that much. But again, in the broader context, historically speaking, not too long ago, the risk associated with accumulation was only 2%, and we were making videos related to SUI back then. Again, you can see several videos related, especially comparison related video and overall market update with related videos. This is cryptoweeklies.com or Crypto Weeklies YouTube channel. And back then, again, the story was much different. Price was at around 60 cents. So again, if you're interested in following on this machine learning based journey to analyze crypto valuation, you can subscribe and give this video a like to stay updated. In terms of the next model that we have is the dollar cost average related model, which again does a better job at identifying some of the undervaluation overvaluation zone based on this regression line. The risk levels are calculated for this model. The risk associated with SUI accumulation is at only 20%. That is because the regression line has an upward bias right now. In terms of what are some of the theoretical ceilings for SUI per this model, again, right now the price at around $4.80, representing a risk of about 10% per this model. And looking forward, these are the price estimation based on the regression analysis. Moderate target at around $7.60 or 70 cents. Target range between $7.70 till about $9.42. That's when the risk is between 0.5 and 0.75. And anything above $9.77 till about $11.16 is considered high risk at risk percent between 80% and 100%. So again, those are the forecast in shorter term. In terms of time weighted average price, you can see that price is several price point almost 4 times greater than the time weighted average price. So that no wonder that this function is also, or this model is also saying the risk associated is right now high. But if you look at the estimated bull target, again, this is not for the bull run of 2025. This is a shorter term target. Again, this is a newer crypto, so the weighted risk across all the three models is at around 46%. And per the risk reward based approach, the estimated bull run peak for SUI is at around $9.70, representing about a 2x reward from the current price. And with this, I would like to conclude the video. If you enjoy this content, you can check other similar analysis related to major crypto. Again, also check out the bull market completion that helps identify if we're closer to the peak or bottom. This is our peak value analysis available over here on cryptoweeklies.com. The second analysis is overall sentiment score to track the daily sentiment. Also the word cloud that we have developed to identify some of the narratives which are gaining traction in the market. Again, SUI was on this narrative cloud a couple of weeks ago, but again, right now Bitcoin has taken center stage. In terms of some of the best performers, we do analyze them rigorously on the channel to identify the most trailing cryptos at any particular time. And again, if you want to stay and check these content, you can check out cryptoweeklies.com or subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.